Where am I? Here I am. Alright, guys, it is day 5 of driving a mile for every 100 followers, and we're at 500 followers. I can't appreciate you guys enough, but as per usual, the video's sped up. I mean, it's 2 minutes long. I mean, 5 miles, you can only crunch down so much. I mean, I'm just letting y'all know, okay? But I appreciate everything you guys have done. Really. Thank you.
I'm trying to keep it simple as possible. You know what I mean? Gucci on sight, rollers on ice.